thank you for coming to my presentation. And this is William Bio speaking, and I'll be the presenter of this topic called Light Cargo Delivery Drones. I hope you'll find this topic informative and interesting. So let's get jump into it. Let's start with a question. Have you ever bought something online? What a weird question, right? Of course, nearly everyone have. And that's how online shops are popular and has grown rapidly over the past years and having hundreds of millions of customers around the world. With these huge numbers of customers, home deliveries are insufficient due to the special depression of residences and the frequency of failed deliveries. And also the cost of delivery parcel represent a significant expenditure for the online retailers. Various solutions are take place to solve it. Among them, what's really popular is automatic delivery stations have the potential to reduce home delivery problems such as missed deliveries and also reduce the cost of delivery packages for the online retailers. We all know drones that are used for survey and photographic purposes. Well, unlike them, a delivery drone is an autonomous vehicle, often named as a unmanned aerial vehicle and used to transport packages, food, or other goods. And the driving force behind these delivery innovation is to, yeah, of course, cut down the delivery time and delivery costs of products. There are three basic processes are undertaken in a delivery drones. The first one is lift off. In a lift off process, the method is to release the drone from the dispatch centers which are located around the country. And the next one is in the air. The thrust generated by the blade rotation along with the stabilization technology maintains the drone position in the air. Yeah, however, for the delivery purposes, there is a load carry by the drone needs to be calculated for. The bigger the package, yeah, of course, the more powerful the drone has to be in order to carry it. The maximum weight to be carried is that a drone successfully carry its 2.3 kilograms. Once the delivery drone is in the air, it guided by the GPS system. In the delivery drones rely beyond visible light on sight technology, and it also having the ability to not require a pilot. And here is the Amazon's latest version of its primary delivery drone. It's a hybrid aircraft that it's capable of vertical takeoff and landing as well. And the new drone, it uses a combination of thermal cameras, depth cameras, and sensors to detect hazards like birds or yeah, something like that. The new drone, with the help of the machine learning models, onboard computers, and automatically identify obstacles and navigation around them. The drone's routers are also fully covered for safety, and the packages for the delivery are carried in this fuzzle in the middle. Such solutions like these delivery drones are already implemented in several countries. Yeah, maybe prefer in dense urban centers that are already using delivery drone technology, starting with Domino's Pizza. Drone delivery pizzas became a reality in November 2016 when the pizza drone delivery first dropped off an order at a customer's door in New Zealand. And yes, it was the first drone pizza delivery in the history of humanity. Domino's drone uses a team of drone experts and a pilot autonomously control it through GPS. The next one is Amazon Prime. Uh, Amazon plans to deliver customers order within 30 minutes through this Prime Air Delivery program. And the drones of Amazon Prime uses autonomous drones guided by a GPS system. And another one is Walmart Drone Delivery, and it's Basically, its drones are short ranges, like it can deliver within 50-mile range. But Walmart's shops are located across the country, so it's perfectly positioned to dominate the commercial drone industry. And then the last one is Alphabet, and it's a Google parent. Alphabet Wing. It's a drone delivery service, and it delivers packages of as well as health and wellness products. And the drones of Alphabet are uh, unlike other drones, it can carry the weight of between 2 to 3 pounds right to the customer's doorstep. And here are the drones that uses by each of the companies. And this is the definition of high cycle. And basically, the high cycle is a graphical description of a common pattern that arises with each new technology or other innovations. In 2019, year's emerging technologies fall into five major trends. The first one is sensing and mobility and augmented human. Another one is post-causal compute and commons and digital ecosystem and advanced AI and analytic. Uh, we're going to talk about sensing and mobility. It features technology with increasing enable mobility and the ability to manipulate objects around them. It includes 3D sensing cameras and more advanced autonomous driving, which mean the light cargo delivery drones are one of the trends of it. As sensing technology continue to evolve, it will aid more advanced technology like the Internet of Things. And the 2019 Hype Cycle highlights these life cycle like cargo drone technology will significant impact on business, society, and people over the next 5 to 10 years. Uh, let's talk about the future of drone deliveries. As the commercial drone gain in popularity, businesses and consumers are speculating about the technology's future role in logistics facing new challenges, like will the system allow for smarter deliveries at lower cost? How will how reduce the noise from the delivery drones and how to handle long distance deliveries? Um, well, there have been possible solutions, a lot of researchers and solutions, and yet I would like to point out the most interesting two potential solutions: Amazon delivery drones, beehives, and Amazon's trailing edge fingers. Oh my god, this is so hard to pronounce. Alright. In order to obtain more efficient than regular warehouse, which are located in outskirts of cities, Amazon has an idea for the thought. They said huge drone beehives, right? Oh, or basically what are those? These are the vertical multi-story drone centers placed within a downtown district or densely populated urban areas, which make them high-rise. Will let the drones fly in and out without getting dangerously close to the president at street level. But flying large number of drones in cities invents other problems too. Who's going to want to live near a drone delivery tower if it makes so much noises? And Amazon is obviously thinking out about these problems, and in the same round of application as the delivery beehive suggests a few solutions. For the drone noises, the company is suggesting custom router designs that would chop through the air more quietly. Uh, Basically, putting a plant-like leaf on the router to cut the airflow properly to try and alter to reduce the sound. Out of these rejects application, it doesn't mean Amazon is necessarily going to build these things or that drone deliveries will ever become a widespread. Which it does show is that the companies continue to think hard about the future of deliveries. And thank you for listening to my presentation. And that's all from me. Thank you.